I ordered this grout brush to do some grout on tiles that were getting pretty dingy. I opened up the box. It had two brushes. I only thought there would be one. This brush is very, very stiff. And this one, it was a medium stiffness. The pole was in three pieces and they screwed together and they were pretty solid when you got done. And it was about 5 foot. And here it is all together. And like I said, the bristles are very, very stiff and they kind of come to a point. Here. And it's got a flexible head, however you're going with your floor. And I'm going into the tile floor. I had started cleaning this tile with a toothbrush. I started with the mean green, which worked well. Then I read about the pink stuff. That worked really well. And by the time I got the grout brush, I only had Lysol all-purpose. And with the grout brush, that worked pretty good. I think I'm going to go back and use some of the mean green or the pink stuff with the grout brush and get it really clean. But this grout brush worked really good. And here it is. It's really stiff and it cleaned. It actually even took some out without using anything, but once I used the Lysol, it really did the trick. I let the Lysol sit for a couple minutes and then went back and just scrubbed it out. The grout brush definitely gets a thumbs up, but I would recommend using the pink stuff or the mean green with it. That would be the ideal way to clean your tiles. But I'm very, very happy with this, and as you can see, it made a huge difference. And you can see along the edges where I couldn't get with the grout brush, but I'll have to go back with a toothbrush. But you can see how big a difference there is there.